Snowstorms lashed through the U.S. and Europe, wreaking widespread devastation, rendering some of the most reliable names in the world travel absolutely powerless. Passengers were stuck on Eurostar trains all night, even though the journey was meant to be a little over 2 hours from London to Paris. Many were left with no power, air conditioning, food or water, and received little or no information during the ordeal, as the powdered snowfall created an unprecedented challenge.
Eurostar's procedure for handling people was clearly lacking. If there was a disaster plan, then it clearly needs a good old rewrite, and it needs, I would suggest, some fairly regular rehearsals to make sure it works.
The Eurostar recently resumed activities, but what happened left many to face the hard fact that nature can never be truly mastered. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, the storm dumped up to 22 inches of snow in the Baltimore-Washington area before making its way up through New York to New England. At least one person died due to the weather. The Virginia Department of Emergency Management said a 68-year-old woman died in a car crash in southern Virginia on Friday night. However, there are some who seem determined not to surrender to pessimism.
Just really amazed. I haven't seen snow like this since I was a child. In England, I'd say at the age of 8 or 9, I remember we had snow similar to this, but nothing since, so it's quite exciting for me.
Times Square municipal workers used heavy equipment to clear the snow. SHAWN said he didn't mind the work.
It's a lot of fun. It's a beautiful thing, yeah. I mean, it's about the holidays. Why not have a white Christmas?
Snow may have halted transport. However, it only seems to have fueled people's holiday spirits. Aon Hussain, DawnNews.